Let's click on the Add Section button down at the bottom here. And this one will put in the first name of either a volcano or an earthquake that you've got for your research. So for my first one, I've actually got the big daddy of earthquake zones, the San Andreas Fault in the USA. So right off the orange card. Our content is going to be map. Our web map is the same. Now this is where we can do a custom configuration for where we show on the map. So we're starting with this view of our Pacific plates here. And if I click on custom configuration, I'm going to, just to save time, I'm going to type in the place. So San Andreas Fault, and I can see that a result comes up here, so let's click on that. And I can see the fault is right here. Now I kind of know this. If you're not familiar with the particular earthquake area or fault, you might have to trust them a little bit. But I'm going to zoom out a little bit because I know the fault comes down through San Francisco and down through LA. So maybe I'll zoom out one more time. And then it goes past past Baja California. So I'll center that more or less. And if we can see for this particular one, San Francisco, LA, San Diego, those are the big cities that are basically going to mostly slide off into the ocean if such a thing were to occur, big earthquake. Anyway, enough about them. Save map location when you are happy with your map position. And depending on what you're searching for, even just sort of a general area is going to be good to start, and you can always tweak it. So we'll leave it like that for now. The other things we'll leave as default. We'll keep the legend, and we can click next. For this part here, we're going to put in our description of whatever it is we're looking for. But for right now, we're just going to prepare it all. So for right now, type in text and picture, and we can click add. And there we go. So there's our first entry, and we're just going to leave that there for now. Then we'll click Add Section again, and I'm going to do my next one. So my next one is 1960 Chilean earthquake. Now we don't have a very specific location for this one, so this is one of those ones where as long as we can see Chile and we focus on, we might be able to find out exactly where it is when we do our research, but for right now, when we click on custom configuration, and all we have to do is put in, let's say, Chile, and we should have a good view of Chile. So let's just keep it like that. Click on Save Map Location. Everything else will keep the same. Click Next, and just text and picture, and click Add. There's our second thing. Please continue to do this for all 6 of your research items. So in my case, 1 more earthquake and 3 volcanoes. And then we'll be able to do our research on each one. Got my 6 sections for my 6 items. Now we've got a little menu over the side here, so we can always jump between the different things if we click on these little dots, or you can just click on the particular thing and you'll go back to the beginning. And you may need to also scroll up and down to see them all. At this point, we definitely want to save our web application, so come up to the top right corner here and click the Save button, and that's it.